Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today I just got my GlossyBox. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so GlossyBox, let me see how to open this. GlossyBox is a new subscription for me. I've never had it before. So I'm going to put on my glasses. If you do not know and you're just kind of dropping in, I am legally blind. I have to wear glasses. You're going to see the ring lights and I'm sorry, but it's okay, right? So GlossyBox, let me see. This is the February GlossyBox. GlossyBox is new to me. So this box cost me $7, or this box cost me $16.80. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at the inside of this box. It's like a retro, back to the 80s type of thing. So let me take it out of its box, and it's in a separate box. So it's out of this. But now it's in, oh, it says 90. Okay, let me let you look at it. It's a cassette tape. Okay, how many people know what a cassette tape is? Me. Love the box. I will definitely keep that for something else. This is what it looks like when you open it. Super cute. It's got a great it's got great packaging. And inside they give me the items that are in there. So that's really good to have also. So we were going to go ahead and take the ribbon and untie it. Look at this, guys. How pretty is that? You know, it doesn't matter the aesthetics of the box and what they look like when you open them. I mean, super cute. So first time on this box, though. I think I did it off of Jenny June. I think that's her name. And I did the box and got a discount for my first time. Oh, sweet. Look, here is the box. So let's go with the first item that I see, which is this one. See what's inside. I think this box is like $21 a month. This looks like a deluxe sample. Okay. Let me look at the book and see what this is. So if you're new here, well, welcome. You may not know that I'm legally blind. And what I do is use my iPad to take pictures of like this little pamphlet they gave me with the items. And then I'm able to tell you what it says. So I'm going to take a picture of this one. And then I'm going to go down and enlarge it so that I can see. It's SYS Skincare Moisturizing Cream. MSRP. Let me see what they say that. MSRP is $19.99 for full size. So this is, let me see if it's open yet. Oh, well, I probably used about half of it now. Because it is a deluxe sample. Oh, God, you guys. You know. So there's my item, and there's the product. We're going to put it all over my hands. You know, hands show your age, so we might as well moisturize them with something that's going to help with dryness and aging. It just smells clean. You can't see it anymore, but it does feel really good. So happy about that product. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's see what's next, guys. I have this, which you know I can't read until I get into my iPad. So let's see what I got. I thought this one was so cute that I seen. Oh, okay. I think these are the shampoo and conditioners. Let me go ahead and open the other one because there's two of them here. Oh, yeah. And they're super cute bottles. Look at those. Well, it's not all the way full. You can see that. But they probably settled after shipping. And then here's the other one. Super, super, super cute. Let me see where this is in my book. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to get out of what I had earlier. So on an iPad, guys, it is very user-friendly for somebody that is blind. I will tell you that. It's all I have is Apple products, even my computer. And I don't love my computer because I guess the reason I do not love my computer is because I don't know how to work it. And I need to learn that. So I'm going to go show you guys what I'm going to look at. You see the top product up there? I think that is the shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to pull it out. This is by Natura Shampoo and Conditioner, MSRP for the full size. Is $42. $42 for full sizes. These are just samples, but I will try them. And I love things like this that you can take when you travel. So we're going to Cabo in May, and oh my gosh, that's at least a couple. So I'm going to take that with me too. Okay, so we got 2 of those. I'll put those back after. And we got, let's see what we got. I have a little round container that I don't know what's in there yet, so I'm going to have to look it up. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, guys, this is a shimmer powder. I'm hoping you can see the color. I don't want to open it up because it might be something I'm giving away in a giveaway. So it says it's $15 for the full size. It is color. Oh, it's saying you can use it as an eye color or a blush. So that's really pretty. I don't want, like I said, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to let you guys see the color. So that's a shimmer powder. And then the next item we have is this one. Yeah, this says it's a full-size product. Lapcos, Lapcos. And it is $4 for this. It is full size. So they're saying that you can buy each for $4 each. Now the last item in my box is this one. Okay, this product is made by Avant Skincare, which is a excellent brand. I have a lot of items from them that I've gotten in boxes before. This is just a sample size though, but it does say well, that says full size. Let's see how much full size is. It is the Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. So this is a lip scrub. Let's see how much this costs. $71 for the full size. Okay, so that is my last item. Let me look real quick. Yep, last item. So I got the lip scrub. I got the eye mask. I got the shampoo and conditioner. I got the moisturizer. And I got this glow, which is for eyes or cheeks. And I'm going to put that one in the giveaway, the next giveaway. So what do you guys think of this box? This is my first time. Like I said, I only paid $16. I did not really get any full-size items. I just got samples and deluxe samples. They say that the eye mask is full-size, though, because they sell them by each, which is fine. I love eye mask. I want to try the shampoo and conditioner. The moisturizer, yes, try that too. So I think this was a good box for my first box. So tell me below what you guys think. If you don't mind, hit the like button for me. And that's it for today. So subscribers, as always, thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I appreciate you. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the likes. Thank you. Please look at my giveaway. I have one that ends on the 8th. Make sure that you guys are in that giveaway so you can win something. Also, those of you who are not subscribed, please subscribe below. There is a bell to know when I put out new videos, and of course the like button. If you want to be in the giveaway ending on the 8th, you do have to be subscribed to my channel and follow the directions in the video. So that's it for today, guys. I just want to say I love you all. Thank you all for always being here for me, and I will see you in the next video.